Vinod Palyekar, minister in the Goa government, that his life is in danger. And common man has started saying, if minister's life is in danger, what about common people? So therefore, I would like to appeal to the present Home Minister, who is the Chief Minister, to give up that portfolio of Home Affairs to any other minister independently. Don't give any other portfolio to that minister. Let him concentrate on that portfolio. A committee of 5 members consisting of citizens, NGOs, etc. be constituted to go into this matter. I am saying committee because so there are many people who may be aware of what is going on the coastal beaches. Let this 5-member committee examine the matter and report to the government.
राहुल गांधीन खंय काँग्रेसीचो अध्यक्ष जावंक जाय.
I would like first to appeal, I have never said so, but I would like to first appeal to Rahulji that he should take over the presidency of the party at the earliest. And now that elections, organizational elections are going to be held for the post of presidency, Rahul Gandhi should take over the presidency of the party.
प्रुडंटा खातीर शिरीष कुंकळेकार.